kind of. So they're actually doing their business. I'm doing my own business. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Basha is Basha means that Geta guy. I don't know. Basha means which guy? Oh, that's good. Okay, let's move into our topic today. So we are going to discuss about networking. Okay.
Okay.
So I have a friend of mine here. So I will introduce one of my friend here.
Who?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. You will astonish.
Huh?
Hello, my dear friend. Here, one of my friend is Mohammed here. He just want to hear about something related to networking. Could you please explain about networking, please?
Sure thing. Networking is the practice of connecting computers and other devices to share resources, such as files and internet connections, over a network or across multiple networks via the internet. It's essential for communication and resource sharing in businesses and homes.
Hey, Mohammed, have you had a word with my friend?
AI.
Yeah, he is my friend, man. So, just jokes apart, shall we start?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to discuss about. Let me take a pen. If you stay with me, you will laugh at me. You will laugh. You'll be very happy.
Yeah.
But don't sleep in while I'm teaching math. Please do not sleep.
No, I'm up.
Yesterday you slept, I know.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I know. I was shouting, but still you out of the class. Okay, so we are discussing about VPC networking. Okay,
Okay.
so before going to VPC, first you need to understand what is networking. VPC means virtual. Okay, virtual private cloud. Okay, this is just a sample abbreviation of simple abbreviation of virtual private cloud, which is VPC. Okay, and networking. So before going to net VPC, you must understand about networking. Understand? So we are talking about networking first today. Okay. Once after getting, so once after finishing it, we'll talk about VPC. Okay. Got it.
Yes.
So what is networking? So in general definition, what is networking?
Networking is you network with others,
Yeah,
interact.
that's great. That's great, man. That's great. Yes. Network is simply connection with others. Example, he is a Muhammad. Okay, he is Muhammad. Okay, and she is some Mira. Okay, so Muhammad want to go and propose. Okay, this is flower. Okay, rose flower. Muhammad want to go and propose. Okay, so for suppose he will go and propose. She will reject. Okay, there is no communication. There is no network then. So if she accept, so then the bond will come. Okay, so then the network happened. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, I think Bobby is not listening this all this stuff. I hope so. She will kick me off later. Okay, so network in the sense in that is just general part. So let's think about technical aspect. Okay, so this is one device. This is device one. Okay, and this is device two. For suppose
Mm.
these two are different electronics components. Okay,
Yes.
so if you have, if you connect these two, if you connect these two different components or some kind of wire for suppose, If you connect these two by using wires, so you can call this as a network establishment. Okay, a network is simply connection of devices. Why we are connecting devices? For communication purpose.
Yes.
Communication purpose. Okay, whenever you connect these two devices, if this device want to communicate, the device want to talk this device, so through which through communication we can have it can be. Again, the response also this device want to talk, yes. So this one way and two way communication will happen. Okay. So whenever two or more devices are connected, okay, whenever so when two or more devices are connected to communicate, we say that is called networking. Understand?
Yes.
Right. So that is also called network. Okay. So this is communication. Already connection establishment happened. Okay. The same way, for example, this is your laptop. My dear brother, this is your laptop. Okay. Just imagine
Yeah.
this is a keypad. Okay. So this is your router. Okay. This is your router, and this is somewhere telescope. I don't know exactly. So this is your communication channel, satellite communication channel, something. So this satellite communication channel, somewhere here its satellite will be there. Okay. Just imagine this is a satellite. Through this satellite, so this receiver will receive it. Okay. After that, through which this what is it, antenna, it will receive the signal to the router, and this router can able to communicate with this laptop, right? Through different mediums like Wi-Fi, LAN connection. Okay. Through Wi-Fi also it can able to connect. Through LAN also it can able to connect, right? So for laptop, here for laptop, so you will have RJ45. Some RJ45 will be there. What is this? RJ45. So this RJ45 every computer have RJ45. What is the purpose of it? To connect the cable, LAN cable. Okay. For Wi-Fi, you should have a drivers. Okay. So in your laptop, you should have a driver. So through which Wi-Fi you can able to connect with this router. So then you are going to connect with this router. So then you will get internet. Correct?
Yeah.
Right. The devices can be anything like computer or mobile phone or any other electronic components. Network is the connection between two more devices. The purpose of network is enable to communication. That is the purpose. Okay. To establish network, you need to have components. Networking is a vast subject. Okay. There are so many components like modem, routers, hub, switches, like so many. So network is different subject, but you should have some idea. That's the reason I'm just covering it here. Okay. So example for networking purpose, CCNA certificate will be there. Cisco Certified Network Administration. This what I can call abbreviation of this CCNA. Cisco Certified Network Associate. I think so. This is associate, I guess. Don't feel bored, man. This is important. Network is very, very important. Before going to VPC, you should understand the networking. Okay.
Okay.
Companies often have decided to network teams. So they will have also network teams will be there. Networking
Okay.
will be separate. Okay. So they will take care networking parts. Okay. But AWS administrators, we need to know just basics. Okay, as a AWS administrator, you must need to understand the network basics. There are 5 minimum components required to establish connection, which is NIC, network interface card, media, topology, protocol, IP addresses. So you've been seeing since long time this all about IP address, correct? So whenever you launch instance, you will have public IP and private IP, correct?
Yes.
So whenever so next class we can see practical. So while at that time you can able to I can show you IP address if you don't remember. Okay. What is NIC? NIC means I will show you. I'll show you pictorial representation. I'll show you in pictures. What is NIC? What is NIC in networking? Computer network. I'll show you pictures, not any definitions. Okay. See here. This is NIC. Oh, you can see. Do you see this device, right?
Yeah.
So this you can see this port. Don't think about motherboard. Just this port. You understood, right? This is network
Yeah.
interface card through which only you can able to connect with this LAN card, LAN cable. Okay, understand? So this through which we can able to connect. Next one is media. What is media? Media means transmission medium. MEDIA, media in network. Not BBC BBC media. It's just it's mediator. Okay, media in the sense cables. You understood? Can you see
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
You have seen this kind of cables in your daily life, I guess. They're all
Yeah.
so can you see here? So these are all. What is this, man? It is asking email. I don't want.
Routers.
Yeah,
Routers.
these cables, right?
Yeah, it's the internet router.
Yeah. This you can LAN cables. You can consider this as a media. Got it? So next one is other component is topology, network topology, network topologies. So bus. So this is network topology. Okay. So what are the
Oh,
connections? Different types of connections we have. Okay. So one is bus topology. The other one is a 1 minute, man. I think it's gone somewhere. Uh, copy and I'll paste here better. You can see it properly, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So these are all actually these are all you can say topologies, which means connections, different types of connections. So I can show you here. So what are the types of connections we have? So I'll show you. This is whatever you see this, right? So this is in different series. So one cable it goes. So through which this is one. So it's look like bus, right? It's look like bus, correct? So this is one
Yeah.
seat, this is one seat, this is one seat. After that, this is one seat, this is one seat, this is one seat. However, bus seats arrangement is there. So the same way, this network is also like that. So that is the reason we can call it as a bus topology. This is a kind of connection. Don't worry, we are not going to use it, but you need to understand that. So that's for general knowledge I am telling, man. Okay. And this is mesh topology. Have you seen that meshes, mesh in house mesh? So to prevent mosquitoes, you might have seen this mesh, right? See, this is a mesh.
Yeah.
Say same kind of. That is how the network would be. So zigzag networks. That is called as mesh. It's a type of mesh. You can connect from here to here, here to here, here to here. So this is called as mesh topology. So mesh networking, you can say. Understand? This is mesh networking, and this is ring. This is ring type, right? Okay. This is ring type for fingers. Suppose if it is a finger, okay. Some people will wear rings like this, correct? Some people will
Yes.
wear in different religions, okay. And it is also circular, which means the connection will be established between two device to device in this way. Okay, so this is called as ring
Yes.
topology. And this is star. You know what is star? You know that already. You are very much familiar with the stars, right?
Yeah.
Because you love it. Right? This is one device, this is one device, this is one device. You can keep one device, you can keep one device. So if this kind of device, we can call it as a star topology. Understand? So
Yes.
these are different types of, there are different types of networks. Okay, and this is fully connected network topology, including all. So if you club all together, all this is a fully connected network. So these are types of networks. I don't want you to by head. I don't want you to keep in mind. Just try to understand the concept. That's it. This is what I'm explaining you, because I don't want to feed more in your mind. It's very delicate, right? So this I already explained this. NIC, Network Interface Card. It is a computer hardware component that connects the computer to a computer network. Each NIC will have unique MAC. MAC means MAC, Media Access Control. So this is address. MAC address will be there. Okay. Next, media. It is a medium which different computer NIC card will be connected, like RJ45. This is RJ45. You could see here, right? And topology, I just explained you: ring topology, bus topology, mesh topology, tree topology. Tree in the sense it look like some tree. Protocol in the sense, what is a protocol? Protocol in the sense, a protocol is a standard set of rules, procedures for communication. Okay,
Yeah.
it defines some rules and it conventions for the communication between network devices. Example, I tell you. Okay, for suppose your good name is Mohammed. He is you. Your good name is Mohammed. Okay, okay. He is Mohammed. He'll have name Mohammed.
Yeah.
He'll have phone number. Correct, right? The same way,
Yeah.
however you are having your, I can identify you by using only Mohammed. For suppose tomorrow I forgot your name. Okay, I'm calling you Mohammed, but you are not responding. Right? So I could not able to communicate with you, right? So however you
Yeah.
are human being having identification using the names and numbers, phone numbers, number. The same way every device have one number. Okay. So same, however Mohammed have name and number, this is a kind of protocol. Okay, every human being have a name, every human being have a phone number. This is a mandatory nowadays, not for good kids. At least even though kids also having phone numbers recent days. So the
Yeah.
however human being having a name, same way that is a kind of protocol. That is a protocol. You have to call by name. Hey, hi X, how are you doing? If I call like that, you will slap me on my face, because you are having your name, right? That's a protocol. I need to follow some protocols. I need to respect you by using names, and I need to call you by names. That those are all standard protocols, correct? So certain
Yes.
rules are there for human beings. Same way for devices also have certain rules and standards have. Okay, so that is called protocol. It have some rules and conventions to communicate between the network devices. Every network has MAC address. Okay. For laptops, it has IP address. Understood? If I call next time
Yes.
IP address, you must need to understand every computer have IP address. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, it defines how communication happens between the devices. Okay, so using some TCP you have seen the ports, correct? Transmission protocols, UDP, user datagram protocol. So general example, I'll tell you one more example. For suppose police follow the higher level order protocols. If PM arrives must some protocols like PM or Prime Minister Trump. For suppose Trump is coming here, this Trump is
Mm-hmm.
coming to your area, Chicago. So they police and their bureaucrats need to follow some protocols because they have to clear the area, they have to provide some security, right? So these are all called protocols. The same way, however, the rules are there if Prime Minister arrives or President arrives, same way. So every devices have some protocols to communicate. Understand?
Yes.
That's great. So like that, we do have some protocols. We do have some certain protocols like 0265535 protocols we have. So for example, TCP protocol in the set TCP 2049 yesterday we have seen. This is for NFS. While we are discussing about Elastic Computing Cloud, Elastic related, EFS, sorry, Elastic File System related. So we have discussed about 2049 port. Okay, so
Yes.
inbound rules and outbound rules, right? So those are all actually depends on protocol only. Okay, that's all. Next, IP address. What is IP address? IP address is an internet protocol address. It is a commercial label. It's a label. Okay, label in the sense without that IP address you cannot communicate with the devices. For suppose this is one laptop, this is my mobile phone. Okay, my mobile has IP address. Okay, my laptop is also having IP address. Through this IP address, devices can communicate each other. You understood?
Yes.
However, we both are communicating each other in English. Okay, so Mohammed is here. If I want to talk to Mohammed, I have two ways. He is a Mohammed. Okay, he is Lokesh. Okay, so these are two different guys from two different regions. Okay, he don't know his language, he don't know his language. So how they can communicate? They have to learn their own languages, whatever common language which is English. Okay, and one more common language is Hindi. I can able to speak Hindi. That's how. Hey Mohammed, कैसा हो मैं? कैसे चल रहा है? मोहम्मद, आप कैसा हो आज? बोलो भाई, लाफ मत करो, हंसना मत। मोहम्मद,
My
आपका परिवार कैसा है?
अच्छा है.
एकदम बहुत है ना? So Mohammed, how are you doing today?
Good.
That's how I got response back in the sense you can able to understand my language, which means we are successfully communicating each other, right?
Yes.
So which is happening by using communication in language. So for human beings have language, for machines we have IP address. You understand?
Yes.
So for suppose if two devices we have, if two devices we have, if these two devices want to talk each other, we need IP address. You understand? This is how.
Yes.
Great. Next. So I will show you different IP addresses. Okay, my dear friend. So these are all IP address we have. In IP addresses also, so they actually bifurcated IANA, international. So IANA, whatever IANA will take care of these all IP addresses. Clear?
Yes.
IANA. What is IANA? You will see that. Okay, Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. So these IANA could not, sorry, this IP address is not your wish. IANA is a global coordination DNS route IP addressing and other internet protocol resources to perform internet assigned numbers to the IANA functions. Okay.
Yes.
Standards is assigned by IANA. IANA will allocate the IP addresses. Understand?
Yes.
International. This is international authority. This will take care. What are the IP address to be shared with you? So that is not your wish. There is a order. There is a protocols. That's how IANA has designed, bifurcated into different classes. You understand? So one is class A, the other one is class B, class C, class D, and class E. What is class A? For every class, we have a public address and private address, right? So, for example, now we are actually talking through Google Meet, right?
Yes.
We are communicating using Google Meet. All of a sudden, Google Meet has it has closed public and public blocked. If your public IP address or Google closed public IP address, the connection will be disconnected. Understand? So
Yes.
private IP address in the sense two devices want to talk each other. It can able to connect through private IP address. IP address used to connect through different devices. For suppose I'm going to explain you very much clear again. So this is your laptop and this is my mobile phone. Okay, so we are actually connecting using only two devices are connecting. Suppose I'm telling two devices only for one internal organization. If internal organization want to communicate, suppose this is two laptops. So this is my Google company. In this Google company, my information should not go outside. Okay, these two devices want to connect. Yes, we can connect using private IP address. Private IP address, these two devices can able to connect. Using public IP address, we can able to access the data. For suppose something Google is there. Okay, you are Mohammed somewhere you are there. Okay, using your mobile phone, you can able to access Google. Correct. So
Yes.
through public IP address, you can able to access the Google content. You understand?
Yes.
So public is for that, private is for that. Private in the sense internally, organizations can able to use private IP address. Public in the sense, for example, I can able to access Amazon shopping cart. Okay, if I want to open Amazon, so if that Amazon product is in public only, I can able to access the Amazon products. You understand? So that is
Yes.
the meaning of public and private. So in this class A, we have a range 1.0.0.0.2 127.0.0.0.0. So this is the range. This is subnet mask. Okay. So which means for class A, they have actually allocated 126 IP address. Okay. Class A will not be assigned to anybody. This class A can be assigned to large scale of government authorities, government bodies only will be used this class A. And
Yes.
class B will be used by medium level companies like LKCloudTech. I don't think LKCloudTech is medium level, but you can say any of company. So medium level companies will be use this class B, and small scale in the sense you can say LKCloudTech. Such kind of startup companies can able to use this class C. Understand? And one more, reserved multicasting. What is multicasting? Multicasting in the sense, so like for suppose multicasting, I'll show you better. I'm not remembering much. Broadcasting and multicasting. Have you heard about these words? What is multicasting? So you are also outside today?
Outside.
Yeah, fountain sound is getting.
No, man, it's my hookah. I smoke hookah.
Yeah, I want you to always laugh. That's the reason I'll make that sound. Okay, multicasting. You see here, multicasting. It is
Yeah.
depicted as one to many relationship. One device can connect with the multiple devices. Something like this. Okay, receivers are many and multiple networks. Okay, like routers, example, switches, routers, you can say. Router, see here,
Yeah.
router linked destinations must known. So such kind of, so routers can use this kind of classes. Understand?
Yes.
And one more thing is experimental purpose. Class C, these kind of, these 242, 254.255.255.255. This IP address will not be assigned to you 100% because this can be used by international related. I'll show you what are those. This will be used by ISRO. Okay, Indian Space Organizations or NASA also, North Atlantic Space Association. This NASA and ISRO kind of experimental bodies can be used by this class address class A, class E. Okay, and this
Okay.
is special. This is for loopback testing. This is internal testing for this IP address networking, and all this also will not be assigned to. This is also not, this is also not, and this is, this and this one and this one will be available. So through which only class B, class C, class D only available in the public. Understand?
Yes.
That's great, man. Thank you. And what is this? This can't be displayed. Why? I don't know, man. What happened to this? Why can't it display it? Oh, it is displaying now. That's great. Why can't it display it like this? Anyways, no problem at all. So class A, class B, class C. I said right.
Yes.
So class A 255.0.0.0. Okay, class B in the sense 255.255.255 and class C 255. Just keep in this much only because if I want to explain, I can explain very much deep dive into this. Right? So you are not relevant to any communication and electrical related student, right? Hope so. Right?
Yeah.
So you can't understand better more than this because if I go very much deep, then this is enough for you. Okay? Because I know you. I don't want to. I don't want. I don't want to forcefully inject into your mind. All right. What is NACL?
Yeah.
This is Network Access Control List. Just remember this name also. We're gonna discuss about NACL also.
Okay.
Okay. While after finishing VPC, we're gonna discuss about NACL. This is a
Okay.
security layer. VPC also security layer for your projects. Understand?
Yes.
So next, so this NACL actually in AWS VPC, in NACL is a stateless subnetworking firewall. Firewall in the sense it's a kind of protection that controls inbound and outbound rules, traffic. Inbound rule you know already. Outbound rule you know already. Okay. What is inbound? What is outbound? Again, one more time I will explain for you. Okay. Inbound in the sense, I'll tell you clearly. I can explain you. Well, I don't want this yellow color too much. Okay. Just Mohammed, this is your laptop. This is your laptop. Okay. Or system, whatever you can say. And this is Google. So your system has IP address. That's all good. We discussed everything. First of all, if your system want to connect here, so Google has inbound rules. Inbound. Okay. Google, for example, 80 port. We have discussed about protocol, right? Protocol number is 80. For suppose if you want to access Google page, okay. If you want to access Google page, first you need to enter through this door, 80 port. If you open 80 port here, okay, so then you can able to access this Google, and again this will stop. This is important. And again the response should come back, right? You will access Google, that's fine. Again response also should come out. Okay. If you open this outbound only, if you open outbound only, the response will go to, you can able to see here, Google. So whenever you are going to enter, so inbound rules come up, and whenever you're coming up, so the outbound rules come up. So you need to open inbound and outbound rules open in public only to be able to access Google. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you explain again? I will cross check with you whether you are listening or not, or you are sleeping or not.
I'm just listening to you.
Yeah, you are just listening in the sense you have to have concentration here. You must explain this. What is inbound and what is outbound rule?
So inbound is like when you get the response. Outbound is like when you're responding outside.
Yeah, while you are entering into this particular website,
Yeah.
okay. So for suppose this is your laptop, okay. So I have sent you one link, right, for you. So you opened my link here, Google link. Okay. If you want to access that, you just clicked on here. Okay. You just click on here. Whenever you click here, automatically this go and check with the Google. Okay. So okay, that's fine. If the inbound rule is open, automatically it will go and check the content. It will process the content, and whenever and again whenever it is trying to come out, so again it will check with the outbound also whether it is outbound is open or not. Okay. If the outbound is also open, you can able to connect with the lokesh. Okay. These two guys can able to connect. Understand? So this link is created by me, right? So then we can able to connect each other. Understand? So this is how inbound and outbound rules will help. Okay. Next time when we are going to deal with the EC2 instance, I will show you inbound rules one more time for you to understand. All right. That's all. That's all about networking today. So next we are going to discuss about VPC, my dear friend. Are you with me? Hello, my dear friend. Are you with me? Mohammed, you slept? Hello, Mohammed. So I think he went disconnected this, I guess. All right, no problem at all. I'll check with this. I think I need to check whether he is disconnected or not. I think my got disconnected, I guess. Oh my, it's my fault. Hey Mohammed, are you with me? Oh my god, my RAM is not supporting, I guess. Let me delete unnecessary data. Oh my goodness. Let me delete unnecessary data. Mohammed, are you with me? Can you able to hear me? Hey Mohammed, are you there? Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, Mohammed.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
actually, my RAM got completely full.
No, no
That's the reason
problem.
it was hanging. I could not able to connect. It got disconnected just because of RAM.
Okay. Yeah. Not this time. I wasn't sleeping.
Yeah, yesterday. Yeah. Anyways, that's okay. I think we have covered networking part today. That was really fantastic because you. I hope you understood this. If I cross check, you need to answer. Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about networking. So next time we're gonna discuss about VPC,
Okay.
virtual private cloud. This is
Okay.
VPC. Okay. How we need to connect to VPC? What is the purpose of VPC? So where we use VPC? Yesterday, while we are connecting EFS, while we are discussing about EFS, so we have seen VPC, right? While you are launching EC2 instances, also you might have seen VPC, correct? So we'll
Yes.
discuss about VPC. No problem. Next time. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you, man. Thanks for joining today. So next class we're gonna discuss about VPC. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. You too. Bye-bye.